Now, the concert T Square. Adia Chia after John Mahama making statement in parliament to say, go away a crumb for near Betchino. Because millions go away, ocean the properties a crowd as Shenko for demand and women's straight. S class Munia Diade at Chidia way over watch $40,000 watch. Who won the food and in the Nina pet. Hey, Kevin Taylor. The concert T Square. Now, this lady, your friend Gifty Oware, National Services Seeker no way, she's a criminal. Recently, in the State of the Nation, John Dramani Mahama ekafa a year how omwa na National Service no omuda no nana B Gifty Oware any omamaka akromfo omuwia Ghana sika ye head count ne behu nipa dodo a omuwie sika $20 million. Now, sa chichidie we girl we oni kon why say eye kra I una I say kra ye di kodu atoso sa girl we our assets bebre or the National Service na ewie sika no. National Service no de ewie sa sika ni nyina. As we speak today, this girl we journey free Ghana. Now, John Dramani Mahama, the president, when he was speaking yesterday at the State of the Nation, no, or ye emphatic say, or be instructed the right agencies to put a arrest alert on this lady and the other people who have stolen through National Service Secretariat. Now, sa atichidie we sa amotia we a ne konte se kura. Ne lawyers ababo ntine ka kire say Gifty Oware Mensa took post-election break. Ono ne lawyers abeka kire say sa ga we no election na omu lose ye nti ashokin nti ama we tu kwan kwasiafo. Ne to say apan. Mede sa Dr. Wask will say a rina mo friend no sa Wask no me de ne papa ne ma number beto ama mo afro mo omo me de ne ma ne papa picture ba omo numbers be bra mu sisi amunya abotre. I'll get you the numbers of the parents. Now ne concert T Square ade chia after John Mahama making statement in parliament to say go away a cromfo ne e be no because millions go away ocean the properties a crowd as Shenko for demand and women's straight. S class Munia Diade at Chidia way over watch $40,000 watch. Who won the food and in the Nina pet. Hey, Kevin Taylor. The concert T Square. Ojinawa as a crapito cry and could do atoso. Kwasiaba when I catch John Mahama 2020 said John Mahama is an idiot. Way. What it him and a national service for Sikano. Why is the team for the Gumna OT national service car? Hey, Ghana for we cause the giant one it trim. So our circle no tear down. But Ghana democracy in tea. The lalabas democracy in tea. We not go see a giant near the one it trim, then the tear down nonsense and ho near yin the dross. No o tear down ho near yin the dross, none the fullness and say ho. Obiaba no the dia one the two. Kwasia for way we scattered nam Ghana. And the honor see when ya a dear friend post-election break inti ya to about you man I shocked inti we lose into a quarter bridge. Hey, put the banner wall. So on your cromfo a ombre fie. On your cromfo a ombre fie and what if female team and on enquirani da. She's a lesbian. Me, I don't care about that part of her life. I don't care. The team small girls not in sa warm on your modeda. So free aslaho. This is the nonsense you have been experiencing all these years. National Service sika we real scaling na. Go away. Oni kon ekon yede num nsuo oni bi. Tete no we mu ye kɔ wo a na yede eye etuduro aswa mo we mu na no so etuduro. Woni metuduro. Na nzemeti yesi kumase yesi blacks to be yako we blacks to do ko asaba sasa afedi asa me sorry na nzem ko read story bia yesi blacks to be esia himfie ene na edi ohini ni siso obi akọ we blacks to do akoton o de ko Germany sa aso di asa ye be hwe de obeto asase edi inti sa akwa we tetene na nke ko wo a kanana otufo nana chanchahine maba nana me do otufo Debi otufo me yesi ana monti ase nana hia me asa no be Kevin nie obe hira me 3 times nana Mesete no na otumfo okwa akwa de na oso etuduro no oni kon efise ontumi ntwa ne ti because atamfo ni twa echi na yehu bebi ntwa ne ti si entwa na hemo si entwa no tuo inti na omdi etuduro no esoa wemu na etuduro ne yede soa no tete no ye kwo wa ye soa de tuduro inti titi na da husi no so ene kwase politics inti kwase panyi we abe NSS boss ene we wia yesika ono ka je so we post election break but the mutima mu de we be before bo us ade we ye fa ni suntui ade we ye fa ni suntui when you post election break o ba betu Ghana janjan hine na makasa intiga we kwasa sama o kanu no ye twen no on de be oteno ontena wa na ne kon ni nyini na so wetuma ntena ma de kon anyini se ye de body beche na e kire obeba na ne kon ayetenten na wo kon ene ko yesa agiro taki ko taki no mo fa bi so wo kon no so na yesa oba ne hu so wo kon wa ne egya wo na sa wo de sa etuduro kon we beba ene obenu ho se etuduro kon we wo kon se de oso etuduro wo de betuduro ina me kura ye de etuduro kura ba bitim mabodam. All right, now wait there na me church matcho. Now there's something you need to know about the NPP. Last time me kabibia chro say NPP as a political party omo ye moa. And Ghana we didn't take our time to analyze this political party. And internet they took advantage of us from 1996. Omo dada ye bedu 2000 ye tam to me ma omo. Sure. The NPP as a political party, they have never ever sat down to think about Ghana as a nation and impuntua omdema Ghana. Enti adiachi 4 years na Ghana fo ejiminti ne asako sala ise nwan ne ato aba mankwase afo mama ba sa abese ikuru no mo papa ko fo ba ye obedi sika wo Ghana ekofa akola ketekete ma ne betwetwe ne bema ebetam $200,000 koye owie e no koye gold chain tu kom e no osama ne nkofo gold chains. Ghana at 50, a forensic audit was done. A commission which has power, like the High Court said, Kufo is a criminal. Kufo himself, they need to go to jail. More down to Kroma Masankwasi, Asadano Mohasa Ababe Kachram say, Monto Abama 2016. And they have destroyed your education. You are calling them to come to a table for us to think how to revive our education. Into we are Ghana near Unim Nyansa. Why should you follow such a piglet party? Mr. S, these same people boycotted the 1992 constitution. Pull the dock for me. What's your 4-way? Team, I remember very well, the same MPP in 1992, yeah, Ghana constitution, ya kaso mosomra, no mometna se, ne yancho constitution, no, ne yanya bibiano, they boycotted the constitution. We wamu ya mwa, wamu ya toilet mwa. Na munya abuchen study si bia MPP 40 ana. So MPP niya ye dine sheni deep, osa boa. Mese MPP niya, menye ni bibia, ye dine sheni deep, ya kaso usho bi deeper. Fa o second eye ne wo utim sheni ye. Uhun ye pa to so as a kiti as a boa. Ana mo de amunya time pa mu MPP for nyabotre e bi ti se abronye begina wenima ye din na hwe deep Ernesto Wusu bempa ye din na hwe deep hwe chema wontumi deep Ekufo do gina hwe ni deep nyabotre e ka se wo hwe obi deeper hwe ni soul ubo so sa boa wan se moa Oma se moa. And that is them. Take your time and watch them. They change. They so gina say o person who say MPP for a moa o dum them light na so a torchlight almost almost shadow na beto wo no e obi aboa beba e bia no secret no mon kan kire mo me say so person who say MPP for a moa should I dum them light na so torchlight to almost almost shadow na beto dan no ho obi aboa be yi nani Obo se bu hard touch better so no than aketia. Obo better so than mampam. Obo better so than abrechi. Me say, o de who MPP ni a chene shade the doom light na so touch to no so. We mo ye nwan, we mo moa. Me minimum kofo we yo. I deal with them. They don't care about you. They see Ghana for say Jimmy. These are animals. These are ingrates. They don't think about you and I. Their only thing is that party mbra power ne yenche say japade. Enti ene education omo be say no. Yati krom ama enkwara ko school no muni books o mesua de wom. No muni books o ready. Syllabus kra no muni bi. Mombra na yen nyina yen kan ya adwene bom. Na yen san chichiri kro no education na omo se fa fe. Me say one day omo ya congress of conference mundum light na mumbie torch into omo so. E wona bo say zoo no mugum. Me say mo de mo tete omo one day omo so omo ya conference so de ndien a mo share doom light no na mumbie torch into omo so. E wona bo say we animals kingdom. Obati fi pa obati kwa obati wo obati obati fi emwankwa MPP for me see doom light na so touch to am so you will see the inner them. How can we build a nation with such animal characters? How can we build a nation like that? And these things should tell you something. This is not a political party any Ghanaian should take serious. Now, let me tell you. In time, Messiah, get me the full story. Get me the story. These same people boycotted the 1992 Constitution, the MPP. It is not a lie. This is the typical MPP for you. A foolish tribal party. NPP boycott of 1992 parliamentary election was a mistake. Hakman Usu Ajman. Hakman Usu Ajman. Or who draws MPP mu? And you pay for the party no. Or say, we boycotting the 1992 Constitution was a mistake. So he's admitting they boycotted it. The reason why he was saying it's a mistake was that they wanted to, if they had thought of it, they would have gone to infiltrate the Constitution with their stupid tribal tendencies. And then because Oman Jino one term. Sankomo Jino one term and committee Constitution ekofa omahinie ene omunkwasi a tribe ni behihye ene no eya and your constitutional man join say entro no Hakman Usu Ajman onhuru nchance mu MPP mu Hakman Usu Ajman or a founding member of the NPP or say they boycotted the constitution now. NPP's boycott of the 1992 parliamentary elections was a mistake. They boycotted the parliamentary elections and they boycotted the constitution. These people, no, you cannot trust them. They are people, they are not there to help Ghana do anything. Parliamentary, 1992, Omanko. Constitution, 1992, Omanya part. Senchi Forum, National Economic Development Forum, Omanko. Yasaba, Yababa, another educational forum, national, almost Omanko. Why should any Ghanaian vote for such animals? Why should any Ghanaian get up and go say some MPP? Actually, with Jimmy. Yeah. So unya abuchana would say MPP followers when they are having a discussion. And they say be our Facebook. They are in a group discussion. And now TikTok. They are in a group discussion. Now unya abuchana on. Nasa uti o mwa. Ubebusa on say, hey, a day na one mwa wite. I'm telling you for a fact. You can't group of Jimmy Pa Sankofono. I am telling you, when you join or when you were scrolling on social media, now you could peer on discussion. So, as a group of NPP supporters, as a group, NPP ND supporters, NPP supporters, as a group, no mudin komo about our partner. So, unya butena uti because damn, yama muafrim. They cannot think beyond omo party no. It is all about na yedie na we die na omunim so omo pay asem na hu sa wonafo dem pay asem hwe de entafo just say na mo magimi ana. We are talking about a political party that should represent every Ghanaian, irrespective of your political background, religious affiliation, your ethnic affiliation. It's supposed to be a party that represents the people. But so good see na so omo din komo na so omo tiwo na omo sre na omo discuss omo party na utibu say yes, you are in the midst of animals. Odi ayenya abutre aya nyabutre ne tie MPP for omo kasa men kebi tie omo obeka say na we ye tie omo anase ye nyem omo anase ye ne omo. You'll be shocked. Their level of intelligence, the way they understand issues, the way they think Ghanaians think, the way they underestimate Ghana for. And the funny thing is, 99% of MPP supporters are in for. Yeah. They are typical villagers. 99% of MPP for wa abruchiri. No mu gurem ni aseso mo abruchiri. 90% no mu nkrinda. I'm telling you, I'm going to abrochase bluebird Charlie. Me say 90% of NPP supporters of Muabruchi, about 80%. They have no perspective. They have nothing, no knowledge. They were green, bush cows. And yet, the only trip they made in their life and a year long from Ukrasi to Accra before playing Babruchi. I'm telling you. But see, the only tripper MPP for majority of Mtiabruchi, MPP for Mtiabruchi, the only trip I'm making in your life, and they say you better move free wurem or to two NSS of Fasia from Brankran. Or say wurem to say cocoa about 8. But see, so go from Massachusetts, I Bronx, Omumubino, Omum UK. MPP for and MPP for me see. No mugu wurem about 6 about amutiti miaso ejimi for inkurase for omugu maso omagu 88 no ebe for obokoye. If you don't have any perspective, they don't understand why somebody should disagree with them. They don't understand why things should change. They don't understand why amamwone yebuno enye wofana wo se ebu. They don't understand. They don't have that perspective to understand. Say, so being free one time more, no to be the Ghana. So they don't get it because they know when say okwe fuom, a bodo nsia no do ba so say improve car. Into no the only say no wafa say ne papa wu a ne wafa no ne on ne kodi ne wafa de. Into the team no oti governance. When a president or see a tuna or send of a better so into a Yakofua, any MPP near Santini, Yankofa na po Jimmy for Nemra. Into majority no, they see governance say, Wofan Wuna of Amra. Into the moment, Nipana, on any of air contest, no, and you'll be already of Faraday on Panasam majorities. I don't know the two abridge myself more. Into first, I don't want Ghana, no Woodum, and I drove from Bobudi Quabra or Kwabra was wadani kokuo. 99% of MPP supporters sanke form one kwabro Germany ni ade there and kebekoro mo tuadua omudua tuatua ho omodibo fro nkwan na omudua efifi enti omo abroche omutumi nkopu open pool omutumi nkobi okowro no ho pe edua odua omodua kitinkiti tuatua omoto kai kwasi avoi me see and Friday MPP supporters, me see. Who MPP supporter be can say betonsium oh pu nie wro hu betom onye da. Omo nyina omo fifi dua kitwe bi be 2 inches etutu omo to. Me see nko omo che kakra nko omo nyina tu dua. This say aketia. Omo agimi. Wo me say bosses na obom din omo kai. Kwamna osibo wadani kokuo. Kwamna wadani eyi ofo eno dan wurem. Bosses pero wadani ofo. Anyway, kwambo twai papa kwasiafo bugu abruchi enkwasade a party here. Di kofoi awurade nyankopon ukono mo kasa I say omudi bini otise omo hia no mo kasa I ko hwehwe mo TikTok otise ba ku mienu miensa 10 omo hia no mo kasa I say omudi toilet ansa no mo kasa nyansa friend nyansa omudi ba ku mpo bosses pero madane moa eche ewia na antofom ewia ne sunset team no madane moa oboni dia onte 90% of from free wuro na Google abrochiri enti dia ye koso na ye chichiri man no they don't understand. They are pained. You see, when you lose an election, you just have to understand and say you did not do something right. Your party was wrong. They did not listen to the people. It is simple. Why do you get mad when you lose elections? Why do you have to basically make it look like the world should come to an end? 2016, John Mahama lost an election. He stood before the country and handed over power and told Ghanaians that posterity would judge. We will all get to know in the future. 2020, he lost the elections. Even though we all saw, say, John Mahama won, the war didn't come to an end. Nobody killed anybody. Even the MPP that used police and soldiers to kill Ghanaians, nobody said anything against them. And so when lose the election, what's the big deal? TikTok. Mahama yakwasia, Mahama yabwa. Na mono, monye nipa na, mudi toilet ansana masoriana, masoriana pa, mudi toilet rijuchi musiana. Ah, I said mudi bini. Omukasa is a nine. No omugu platform so yen chese kom na jai na tanka Kennedy ba ya yen nyire nim se ne na ekoso ne nye ya party me se hwa am jimi Kennedy mu obodam ya soso na adwene ba o me jimi mo betena se ebusa won se ade na sese ne Ghana fo kora kasa o mu mfiye obanyansafo o mu tuetuedua elom tete TikTok enuanom we de maba o e be se ebusa question bi ade ne na se ne Ghana fo kasa o mu mfiye ade ne party ne nya akono edie na yanyama party no sa na ye no na be Mahama dum so Mahama confirm and Mahama ambulance hwe only Ghana for munya lefties me say boju say Ghana for nyina na lefties mini lefties ni problem it is am Jimmy no e for mo power bi ebo do an inner search munya botre mo betena sia mo musa ho questions ede ne be ma party na ya kono yese nkofo hu yese ye moa ebe ne etumetwa edu efiri wo mu se ye nipa munyina mu tuetuedua ebo 6 a ye bom din amonte asiafo na ye ko yedim ye dwudwam Kevin Taylor we untumi ye foko for Jimmy kono a